Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your VIVO Y31 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable auto rotate in quick settings. So we're gonna go over here, make sure that it says auto rotate with the blue indicator. That means it's enabled. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna test the gyroscope in different applications. So let's load the Play Store for now. As you guys can see, it is working. Now let's load the, let's say, Meet, and it is also working. So we don't really need to check more apps because we see that it just works. Now, what we're gonna do is, if it's not working for you, we're gonna restart the phone to reset the sensors. We're gonna press the power button and the volume up button, and now we're gonna press on restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what we're gonna do is go over and test the gyroscope again. So this is very important because we want to see if that fixed anything. And now I really do not need to test it because I already know that it is gonna work. Of course it is working, but if it's not working for you, then as a last resort, you can update your software by going into the settings, scrolling all the way down to system update. And here you need to make sure that it says already the latest system version. If not, then make sure to update. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.